Kublai pi baro kini long ki khubor bam dagasngi. Uba prestun tin song sembut menteri rong ba ke jela ulo ong bagi pat ba ki lahun ye ke jing soi MOU ha ke jing pen bet put pen bet sam ha kawat beningkong ha bai kendu syakilat pathai khubor hadian bawai ke jing lang jing ke regional committee ke Ribhoi district ka balalong ha secretariat men ka arpulai tri ujeliu ka ba ukhli kum uchaman. Uba prestun tin song haba pensngowi ke jing persya ke MOU ke Sorkar keladap le ke kela beningkong hoot ki babun ki jaka babun ki nong syong snong ke Meghalaya ki la ong hoot la di ya ke badai ndoi ki don katu kat ne ki ba ong em ke Sorkar kam shimnal AA bat ke Sorkar kela di ya ki jaka bar ai Asia ke Assam ndoi ke ke banga ong hapi ngila le ya ke ne na ke benta ke bha ke miat bar ke jing mentoi jong ki pateng bandang wan jong ke jela namar katangin jambet syakmat ban pendep ya kakam. Ban minta hakawat kabaar ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA kalakut jingmut banisat kat bala hakaban penyo apat ya ka blok 1 bat blok 2 sya Meghalaya haka jingye kren penbet put jong kawat kabaar. Uba prestun ula pentip ru bagi regional committee na baro artli ki jilla ke Meghalaya bat Assam Kenya Syong jingelang no nadu ubnai naitung banyakran ya kajing ya kajaput haba pai shiki south liki sector bahab hapo ka Ribhoi district.
Members attended the meeting and we decided that in a few weeks from now we will fix up a joint meeting with the regional committee from our counterpart from Assam and thereafter once the joint meeting is held then we will again go to the spot jointly and then take a final call on this issue. Most likely next month, because now we are towards the end of this month. So in the month of July, we will have a joint meeting with the with our counterpart.
So has your committee also discussed regarding the demand of the people from Block 2 for retransferring of Block 2 to Meghalaya?
Yes, it is there already. See, as far as Ribhoi district is concerned, we have three sectors. One is Desh Dongria, and then next is Bodwar area, Nongwa area, and then Block 2. So these are the three areas where we need to discuss, sit down with our counterpart and then take forward whatever necessary to be done. No, that the criteria is same. The terms of reference, I think you must have seen it. Go back to the last year, first phase what we done. The same criteria is adopted. So we do have. If we don't have, why should we then claim? We do have our documents, and then that's why we will sit down with our counterpart and then discuss across the table, and not only across the table, but we will go down up to the village level and take a final decision on that. So saying the terms of reference is very clear. Willingness also is part of the guidelines of this committee. So therefore, whatever the guidelines is in place since last phase, so even this second phase, the same criteria is adopted.
So during the first phase, we saw there were resentment from certain quarters. How will you ensure that doesn't happen?
See, that I think I'm wrong if I say that we don't get the opposition. Anything you're doing, always, this is public sentiment is always there, and then some people who appreciate that the government done, but some group of people again they will say, no, the government, I think they have not done rightly. That will be there, but what I'm trying to tell you is this: now we cross 50 years. It's only this government who has taken a very firm decision that we wanted to resolve this issue once and for all. So in the first phase we have done it. Yes, so many portions of Meghalaya population, they said yes, you have done the right thing. But again, some of them they say no, government has done nothing, and government has damaged, and then government has sold out the land or surrendered to our counterpart Assam. That is there. But whatever I'm telling you, we are doing this for the best interest of the next generation of our state. So we will go ahead, no matter what. but we will go ahead with it.
Okay, clarity needed. Your committee will insist on retransfer or give and take.
See, is like this. If you talk about, there are two issues here. If you talk about block 1, block 2, it's a question of retransferring. Some people, they misunderstand this. When you talk about block 1, block 2, please understand, the question of differences does not arise. The question of dispute does not arise. It is purely the question of retransferring back. Those block 1, block 2, on the basis of notification 1951, we placed before the government of Assam to kindly retransfer it to us in those areas where the population is maximum with our own people.
Ano tulig sinong madu?
Ano?
Akan dia kajing
And
banyak
the
beg.
Riboy sector, sir?
I think, see, all these small details, please don't ask me right now. You ask me only the area. Like itu big area kat Domria. One is Domria. Number 2 again, the other area is Mautamur area, and then the third one is Baduar, and the fourth one is Block.